April Light. That's my boy, Wendy Wizzle in the bizzle. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Yeah, squad deep. What's good, guys? I hope you're having a good day before lockdown. Is it the day before lockdown? Does lockdown start on the 3rd? Whatever. It's the 1st of April today, and I'm doing like a mini vlog sort of. Just sort of as like the day before the lockdown. So I don't know, I'm talking like the day before lockdown. Anyway, so I'm going to my parents' house for like dinner, just to chill with the fam for the last time before like the 28 days is up or whatever. And I'm making donuts. I've been wanting to make donuts this whole week, so I was like, I'm making donuts. Excuse us. Excuse us. Thanks. So I've been wanting to make donuts this whole week, and I was like, what better way to kind of like go into this weird time than donuts? And it's me and Isaac here. We won't finish like a dozen donuts. Can I fall? Thanks. So watch me finish off my donuts.
That is the truth. Facebook is the way the truth.
Delicious. Guys, I'm super excited about my donuts. Can't wait to share them with my family. I hope they really enjoy them. I really enjoyed making these. It's crazy. I've been baking for as long as I can remember. Since I was like, I don't know, like maybe 11? Yeah, like playing around with food and that kind of stuff. And I've never made like proper donuts, like donut holes, the whole thing. Just kind of like donuts by Maguina, you know. So I'm really chuffed with myself. I love the way they taste. Can't wait for the rest of the gang to taste them. Yeah. that brow action. Let's get in your car seat, okay? Okay, so we're heading to my parents' house now. Guys, how cute is my backpack? Little bee tassels. So cute. I got this bag for 119 pula, like 120 pula. Crazy. Gotta go much shining. Before you talk things, no corona formed against me shall prosper. Okay? And funny enough, actually, now that I remember, there were no Chinese people in that shop when I went there, which was yesterday. So yeah, oaks. Anyway, I'm going to my parents' house, and I'll see you guys there.
Wow.
Yay! Clap your hands!
Well done!
Mami? So guys, this is what's left. I just want to send a hardy to the rest of the family that didn't get any. You should have come to it. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's find out how the people found the donuts. Lina, how were the donuts?
They were too nice. Too nice. Yes.
Thank you. Stormy, how were the donuts?
The donuts are so nice, so soft, and I really like them.
Thank you. Teens.
Your donut was so... I'm going to repeat this again. I enjoyed them. I enjoyed them and they were one of the softest. Is that even the word?
Yes, that one.
Softest. Yeah, I enjoyed them, Mandlo, and thank you so much for baking for us.
You're welcome. Thanks for enjoying my hard work.
This is a surprise film. This is candid. You know what candid is? Is it happening?
Confused me. What?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I am. Guys, this is my brother. He's like one of my favoriteest
Oh, I need to
people
look there.
in the whole wide world. Yeah. I'm gonna miss you
When?
during the lockdown.
Oh, yeah. Let me see too.
We should video call and stuff.
Definitely get house party.
What is that? Is it an app?
Yeah, it's an app.
Okay, guys, get house party. So you can stay in contact with your loved ones.
And play charades
Video
together.
stuff. Ooh, charades. You told me about it, but
And Pictionary.
so who's on your house party now? Like who's in your house party?
A lot of people. Friends.
Is that what you
for
use with your
Erin.
friends?
Yeah.
Oh.
And Frankie, I'm with Frankie.
How are the donuts?
The donuts are amazing. Guys, the donuts. Donuts. Brilliant.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you. I'm glad you enjoyed them.
They could be like Dunkin' Donuts or like Krispy Kreme, that level. That's right.
Y'all know now. Now y'all know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for the donuts.
You're welcome.